Dad Choy. Let's make a balloon mini lion head. Please welcome in God of Reverse Action.
Start by pumping up a 260 red balloon. Leave about a 12 cm tail at the end. First, start with a 6 cm bubble, and then a pinch twist. It forms the horn. Then a 10 cm bubble, and then another pinch twist. Another 10 cm bubble, another pinch twist, another 10 cm bubble, another pinch twist, and then one last 10 cm bubble and connect to the first pinch twist. Now you've made the first layer. Now make a 4 cm bubble, a big pinch twist, and then a smaller pinch twist. Now pump up a 260 red balloon to make the second layer. Tie it to the big and small pinch twists you've just made. Start with a 10 cm bubble, pinch twist, another 10 cm bubble, another pinch twist, another 10 cm bubble, another pinch twist, and then a final 10 cm bubble, and tie it to the 2 pinch twists you've made. With the remaining bit, make an 8 cm bubble and tie it to the opposite pinch twist. Count to make sure you have 4 sides on both of the layers. Now bringing the 2 layers together, make a 4 cm bubble and tie it to the pinch twist. Another 4 cm bubble and bring it back down to the other pinch twist. With the remaining bit of the bubble, feel free to pop it or just leave it as is for a handle. Now, pump up a 260 white balloon. Tie the white balloon to the pinch twist of a bottom layer. Now make 2 3 cm bubbles and then connect to the pinch twist on the other layer. Then make a 16 cm bubble to tie it to the 2 pinch twists, which is the nose. Now you've made one side of the eye, repeat on the other side. Make another 16 cm bubble and tie it to the pinch twist on the top layer. Do the same thing with the bubbles, make 2 3 cm bubbles and tie it to the pinch twist on the bottom layer. Now that the 2 eyes are done, using the white balloon, make the upper lip of the lion head. Make roughly a 30 cm bubble, wrap it around the top of the nose, making sure it's tight. Then secure it by tying to a pinch twist. Make sure the white upper lip sits nicely on top of the nose. Now pump up a 160 green balloon to add the details. If you don't have a 160 balloon, you can also use a 260 for this one. Tie it to the pinch twist of the top layer. Make a 16cm bubble to add some details to the eye. Wrap it around the 2 pinch twists that forms the nose. Now do the same thing on the other side. Make a 16cm bubble and tie it to the other pinch twist. Now going across the back of the head, bring it across to the other side and tie it to a pinch twist. With the remaining bit, cut it and tie a knot. Now pump up another 260 white balloon, and we're going to make the eyeballs. Start off with 2 pinch twists, then make a loop twist, then cut off the excess bit and tie a knot, and we're going to make the other eye. Repeat what you just did, make 2 pinch twists. Then another loop twist of the same size. Secure the ends by wrapping around the pinch twist a few times. Then cut the excess off and tie a knot. Now pump up a 260 black balloon. We're going to make the eye, so we just need a small piece of scrap, but you're also welcome to use a new balloon. Make a 3cm bubble, tie a knot. And repeat another time for the other eye. Tie the black balloon onto the eye pinch twist you've just made. And do the same thing for the other eye. Using the remaining white balloon that you've got, you can use it to tie it to the main headpiece. Insert the eye from one side, bring it over to the other side, and secure the 2 eyes together with a white scrap balloon. Now your eyes should be held together onto the head. With the lower lip, you're welcome to use the remainder of the balloon or pump up a new one. Cut off the end of the remaining balloon and pump up. At the end, tie a knot Make roughly a 20 centimeter bubble to form the bottom loop. Bring it over to the other side and tie it onto the pinch twist. Adjust the upper loop to make sure it stays in place. Now for the ears, pump up a 260 yellow balloon. For the pinch twist on the top layer, wrap the yellow balloon around and make a loop twist. Bring it over the back of the head and tie it onto the other pinch twist. Now do the same thing to make the other ear. Make another loop twist and tie it to the red pinch twist. Put the red pinch twist in between the yellow ears. With the remainder of the yellow balloon, either pop it and tie a knot, or wrap it around the back of the head. Now for some details, pump up a 260 gold balloon. Make 2 pinch twists. Then a 2 centimeter bubble. Make it a total of 6 times. And now you've got a little gold chain. Wrap it back to the first pinch twist to make a circle. Pop the rest of the balloon and tie a knot. Now put the gold chain over the horn on the top of the head. And now you're all done.
Wow, I have a balloon mini lion head. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.